Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst Lab 9, in which we'll see connect Windows devices to Microsoft Sentinel using data connectors. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. And what first we'll do is we'll create a Windows VM. To do that, I'm going to click on create a resource. And I'll click on virtual machine. I will create it in a resource group. Like this, virtual machine. I will create it, no standard. I will do for all images. Let it come up. I'll see if I can create Windows 10 Enterprise. I'll type in here, search for it. Windows 10 and Windows 10 Pro version 20 H2 generation 1. I'll go for this. Normal size. I'll type in username and password. Like this, selected ports. I'm going to go with the standard, delete with VM. I will not go to the advanced settings. Let it create the VNet. I'll select this option. I'll not use any of these. Advanced. Go with the default, no tags. What information did I miss? View create. It is running the final validation. And I'll click on create. The deployment will start. Submitting the deployment, and I'll pause the video and come back when it is done. Okay, my VM is configured. And will go to Sentinel. Let me open up another tab. Here it is. When the Sentinel would come up, okay, I'll click on it. I'll look for data connectors. I'll click on data connectors. Then I will look for Windows security events via AMA, which is Azure Monitoring Agent. I'll click on it. I'll open up connectors page. In this configuration section, I will create data collection rule. To collect data from non-Azure VMs, they must have Azure Arc installed and enabled. I'll explain this in my next video. I will create a data collection rule here. I will name this rule. I'll do Azure VM. This is my resource group. Or I'll select in which my VM is hosted. I'll add a resource. This is my VM, and I will set the scope. So I'm setting the scope for my VM. I'll click on apply. Next, collect. All security events, common, minimal, or custom. I'll do all security events, review, create. And I'll click on create here. Now we'll have to wait for some time, and once we'll refresh it, we'll see the new data collection rule listed. And with the help of this data collection rule, I'll be able to ingest data related to all security events from my virtual machine into my Azure Sentinel workspace. And from there on, I can leverage Azure Sentinel features to use that data. So this is still creating the data collection rule. The deployment is in progress. Deployment succeeded. And create data collection rule association is done. And if you will cancel this. This is done. If you will open up the connector page again, you see the rule name here. You can delete this rule, you can edit this rule, click on save button again, and that is how you can change configuration of your data connector rule inside Microsoft Sentinel to collect data. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.